No one controlled your mind. You were taught how to belong. You learned what was rewarded, what was discouraged, and what was ignored. Most of this happened before you had language to question it. Adaptation kept you safe, connected, and functional. Over time, those adaptations became invisible. This is not about blame, it is about awareness. So here are 9 ways cultural conditioning shapes thought without awareness. 1. Beliefs are inherited early. We absorb values, norms, and assumptions before critical thinking develops. What feels like truth is often familiarity. To questioning is subtly discouraged. Curiosity creates friction in many environments. We learn to limit inquiry and call it maturity. 3. Authority becomes reference. External approval slowly replaces inner evaluation. Trust and personal perception fades from disuse. For conformity feels intelligent. Agreement is rewarded more than originality. Blending in becomes a survival strategy, not a flaw. 5. Fear shapes decision-making. Consequences are emphasized more than understanding. Safety becomes the reason exploration stops. 6. Busyness prevents reflection. Constant activity leaves little space to examine direction. Stillness would reveal questions we were never taught to ask. 7. Language narrows possibility. Certain ideas are labeled unrealistic or naive. Imagination contracts to fit what is socially acceptable. 8. Discomfort is internalized. When something feels wrong, we assume the issue is personal. Structural pressure becomes self-blame. 9. Function replaces exploration. As long as life works, deeper fulfillment is postponed. Living becomes management rather than inquiry. And so we realize, conditioning does not mean oppression. It means adaptation within a system we did not design. It becomes limiting only when it remains unconscious. Awareness restores choice without rejecting structure. So we ask ourselves, which beliefs have I never examined? Where did I learn that agreement equals wisdom? What fears limit my curiosity? Which norms support me, and which restrict me? And how do I choose intentionally rather than automatically? Nothing was wrong with you. You adapted to belong. Awareness is not rejection, it is refinement. And you are the quiet knowing that chooses consciously now.